Hello dear children, how your study going on? I hope you are doing very well, right? Reading the chapters, learning new words, finding out their meanings and all these things. Okay? You got your notebooks, fine? And you might be seeing some corrections are there and you need to improve somehow, but many children have done very good. I'm really impressed by your writing, the way you have written the presentations in your notebooks and your worksheet. It really impressed me. Take care, okay, and please keep it up and do better. Try to do better, best, and whatever the greater you can do. So let us start chapter 5 that we have already started in our last class. So we came to know that Chaskit's father brought a wheelchair and both brother and sister were happy seeing wheelchair. Fine. And one evening Abdul, that young boy, he came to them and gave a letter handing over to Memeli and asked to the girl why she is not going to school, and she replied that her wheelchair cannot go to uneven path, right? And she also cannot cross the stream in 8. Then both discussed so much about school. Okay, so whether she wanted to come to school or not, what is the reason. Both discussed so much about school. And when grandfather Memeli heard their conversation, he became upset, said, and shouting at them, he said that Chaskit, you cannot go to school and stop dreaming it. But Chaskit again replied that she wanted to go to school and also make her parents proud. Okay, so this all about that we have learned in last class, but today we are going to start from page number 47. What she says: yes, I do Chaskit. That means it is said by Abdul. Yes, I do Chaskit. I must go now, but I will see you soon, Julie, said Abdul. So yes, he said that he can understand everything what Chaskit wanted to make him understand. And he said that okay, this is the time to go now back to home. And he also replied that he both will meet very soon. Okay, and greeted her and went back. Julie means bye or hi. In both way you can say Julie. Okay, so next day at school, now this is the scene of school. Okay, next day at school, Abdul went to see the headmaster. So next day when Abdul had gone to school, firstly he met to the headmaster of that school. Julie sir, he entered to office and greeted the principal by saying, Julie, I want to talk to you about a girl from our village. And he said that, who said? Abdul said that he wanted to talk about a girl. Who is that girl? Chaskit. Okay, and the girl belongs from his village. Her name is Chaskit, and he introduced by saying her name. Her name is Chaskit. Yes, I know her. She is disabled, isn't she? Asked the headmaster. And the headmaster said that he knew or he knows the girl before that. And he also added some word, that is, she is disabled. And then asked a question, isn't she? Nahi hai kya? He replied, yes sir. She uses a wheelchair to move around but cannot reach school as the path from her home is too uneven. And the young boy who Abdul said that yes, that girl is Chaskit and she is disabled, right? And she uses a wheelchair. She has a wheelchair and she move around them nearby her house, but she cannot reach to school. Why she cannot reach to school? Because the way, the path is so uneven. Okay, the path from her home is too uneven. That means बहुत उबड़ खाबड़ है. I was wondering if we could help her, sir, since she wants to learn. Then the boy said that I was wondering. Wondering means thinking. Okay, that whether we could help her, if anyway, if we can help her to come to school, it would be a great things for them. Or really she wanted to learn. The girl really desperately, you can say crazily wanted to learn. Fine, we could all get together and level the path. And the boy suggested the principal by saying that we all can level the path. Level the path means we could also build a small bridge across the stream. And the boy also said that we could means we teachers and students, right? That they could build a bridge across the stream. Okay, that means over it they could make a bridge so that everybody can pass through that bridge without any trouble. That we had learned in the first page that if you want to cross the stream, you have to jump from that poplar tree to the big stone. Like this you have to go to the school, right? And when they will make a bridge, it will be very easy for them to reach school. You are right, Abdul. Let me discuss this with the other teachers. And the principal said that Abdul was right. And he also said that first let us discuss with other teachers and then we will go further. The next day, the headmaster called a meeting of all the teachers. The next day what happened? He called the meeting for all the teachers, where all the teachers joined their meeting. That meeting, he shared about Abdul's idea. He shared Abdul's idea with them. What Abdul had suggested, the same point he shared with other teachers. Okay, the group was excited about helping Chaskit reach home. And the group, who are the group? Teachers. The teachers were very excited helping Chaskit to reach to school. Fine. See how good they are. They are helping Chaskit to reach to school. Don't you think they are very good? Fine. We'll do some good work like this. Okay. We'll also help students like Chaskit to reach to school. Last year, last year, that means 2018-19. Okay, so one boy was there in our school. I don't know whether you had seen or not. Rajveer. Okay, Rajveer. So he is disabled, but his friends are very cooperative. They used to carry his bag because our classes were at the top floor. That means third floor. And every day he used to come late because he had to walk very slowly, and that is the reason his friends used to carry his bag at the beginning of school and after departure time. So how kind they are, right? So you can also help to your friends and relatives or your neighbor, showing your gratitude, you can say, or showing your kindness. Fine. So let us move to next paragraph. 2 weeks later, the children of the government school gathered in the playground. So they have discussed all these things, but it took them 2 weeks to collect all the material. That is the reason they took 2 weeks. Like maybe they wanted woods, concrete, cement, all many more things. So they collected all the things, and they were from government school, not private school children. Okay, they were from government school children. Okay, so they gathered in the playground, because there are many children and teachers, right? So they gathered in playground. They had come without their school bags, and that day they didn't come with bags. Without bags, they reached to the playground. So there were going to be no classes, and already declared that there would be no classes at all. The teachers divided the children into groups, and the teachers, who is teachers? Government school teachers, or where Abdul studies. Okay, the school teachers divided the children into groups, right? So one group work in front of Chaskit's house. So one group among them, one group work in front of Chaskit's house, and another group on the path along the stream. Okay, because the road from Chaski, see, you can see. So these group children, they are working from Chaski's home, and few children, they are working here on the stream. They are making bridge, and they are making even to the road. Even means smooth banana or plain rakhna, right? No over cover, that means. Okay, so there are two groups, you can say. Fine. The older children and teacher worked on building a strong wooden bridge across the stream. And older children means senior children of that school. Okay, like in our school, 11, 9, 10, 11, 12, they are senior students, right? So older children of that school, government school, they and teachers were busy in making a strong wooden bridge across the stream, right? Of course, the bridge should be strong, otherwise it will it can be destroyed, okay, or it can be any cause of accident or something. So everyone laughed and sang as they worked. So when they were working together, helping each other, and same time they were laughing and singing song, you know. One song is coming to my mind, Jindagi Ek Safar Hai Suhana type. Okay, so might be they say song, they are saying their Ladakhi song and started working in it. Okay, now turn page number 48. Chaskit's parents gave hot tea and biscuits to everyone. See, Chaskit's parents, that means Abali and Amali, they both given hot tea and biscuits to everyone. That means everyone means children and teachers. Why hot tea? Because Leh Ladakh, that is cold region place, you know, ठंड रहती है, that means. Her grandfather watched the school children working, and her grandfather, he watched everybody or every children working for them. He wiped away a tear that rolled down his cheek, and when he saw the children were working for them, or especially for Chaskit, he wept. Which means pochna, you know, the tears which rolled down to his cheek. Okay, he wept because see, he is older man and he didn't want to show his tear, I think, and it was not sadly tear, you can say, you know, khushi ke aasu type. So he became so happy, and that is the reason tears rolled down to his cheek and he wept it. Wept means pochna. Underline this word, okay, if you have not underlined it. At the end of the day, that means what is the end of the day? Evening time, of course, right? Morning is starting of the day and evening is end of the day. So at evening time, that means the tired but happy children, they were tired, deadly tired, but still they were happy. Why they were happy? Because they thought that they could help somebody. And when you help somebody with wholeheartedly, it will make so happy, amazingly happy, you know, excited, something unique feeling, you can say, satisfaction, you can say, right? It makes your day fully, that feeling that boys or the children were experiencing. Returned to their home, and they returned to their home very happily. The path from Chaskit home to school was ready now. Now the path, it was uneven. Now it is even. Which one even? The road or the path? Now it's become even to school. Now she can go to school by her wheelchair. Okay. So the next morning, Chaskit would go to school for the first time in her life. And today, that means that morning, next morning, because the day is over, so she cannot go today. The next day, she would go to school happily at the very first time to the school. And really, it's so interesting chapter, right? Even moral based. So do you think Abdul is a good boy? Yes, of course. Abdul is very good boy, kind hearted boy, and also helping nature boy, right? If he could not ask to the principal about that, the action, that means they could not make even the road, right? And the teachers, the children, other children also really awesome, right? And we should appreciate this type of children, right? Those work for other. Fine. So this is all about your chapter. I hope you understood the chapter nicely and you enjoyed it, right? See, wherever you are writing question answer or word meaning or difficult words, before that don't forget to draw a picture which is related to chapter. Okay? For example, see, you can write the chapter's name, write number and name. You can draw this picture. It is so easy for you. So it is quite related to you. Fine? You imagine something and do better way, and that is the reason you should do a beginning part, you can say, or beginning of chapter. If you find it is interesting for you, you can draw this picture also, right? If you find it is interesting for you, you can draw this picture. I hope it will be little tough, but it cannot be what you can say, it will be best only if you can draw it. See, because this is all about the summary of chapter, you can say. See how they are doing hard work. See, temple wheel, this all described, no? Yes, this is all about the chapter. Fine. Okay, in next class we'll do we'll discuss worksheet and all. Till then you learn it, read it again. Fine. Bye children.